In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on your Facebook page step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a simple process, but if you know the right clicks to make, you can get your video posted quickly and correctly without confusion. Whether you're sharing a product demo, a tutorial, a promo clip, or just a regular update for your audience, this method will help you upload it in just a few moments. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Facebook page, make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to post on, because you need the right permissions to upload content. Once you're on your page, look for the Create Post button and click it. This is where Facebook lets you start a new post for your page followers. After that, you'll see different posting options and you want to choose photo/video. Even though you're uploading a video, Facebook often places it under this general media option, so don't worry if the wording feels a little broad. Next, a file picker window will open on your computer or device. Now browse through your folders and select the video file you want to upload. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have several videos saved in different locations. Once you've selected your video, click Open. At this point, Facebook will begin preparing the upload, and depending on the size of your file and your internet speed, this may take a little time. When the video appears in the post editor, you'll usually have the option to add a title or a caption. This is where you can write a short description, explain what the video is about, or add a call to action for your viewers. A clear caption can make your post more engaging and help your audience understand the content faster. If your Facebook page shows an audience selection option, choose the audience that fits your post. On many pages, this may be automatic, but if the option is available, review it carefully so the post reaches the right viewers. Before publishing, take one last look at everything. Check that the correct video is uploaded, the caption looks good, and there are no mistakes in your text. This final review is important because it helps you avoid posting the wrong file or needing to edit things later. When everything looks ready, click Post. Facebook will then publish your video to your page, and your followers will be able to see it depending on your page settings and distribution. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to your Facebook page. It's a quick process once you've done it once or twice, and now you can use it anytime you want to share new content with your audience. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.